welcome to this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth, and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we'll be doing the Galaxy Fighter version 2. If you have not seen the version 1, click right there to see it. Let's start. For this I recommend using a printer paper or A4 sheet. Fold vertically in half. As usual, we'll be doing the rocket fold. Bring these two edges to the center edge, but while doing it, make sure that you have folded it this way. In the version 1, I would have folded it right here, but now what we're going to do is, we're going to bring this tip to here. Other than that, everything is the same. Okay, now again bring another rocket fold. Bring both the edges to the center line. Crease them nicely. Okay, and now open them. Open this pocket. Open it like this, using this line as reference, and I'll just press it down. Make sure that this line lines with this line. It has to be perfect. And then we're going to be doing the same thing on this side. Open it, making sure that it aligns with this, and then just pressing it. As you can see, right here, it's aligned. Okay, just zoom out. Yeah. Okay, now just do that. And now bring both these edges to here. So it's like the fold that we do for the flapping bird. And then like this. It sort of looks like a cobra. The snake. Okay, and now keep your finger here, open this pocket and press it down. Make sure that this edge lines with this line. Okay, and then we're just going to be doing the same thing to this side. Okay, just a second. Freeze it very well. Let me just zoom out. Okay. Right now, so that's good. Now just turn the paper over. If you have it like this, there is a lot of drag on the plane, so let's just have it like this. Okay, and now folding it in half. And now what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be aligning this line with this line. It's like the bisector of both the line. It takes a little hard when you come here. Slowly press it there because it tends to tear. Okay, so that's good, and now we're going to be mirror imaging it as usual. Turn the paper over, doing the same thing. As you can see, it's very aerodynamic, so it will fly really well. It's not a glider, it's a dart. Let me just show it. So if it's like this currently, congrats, you're almost done it. It flies really well, but you know what make it fly even better? If you just do the stabilizers. So as you can see, this line is not parallel to this line. So you have to make it so that this the fold that we're doing is parallel to this. Let me just zoom in and show you. Don't take it too long, too high up. So that's pretty good. It might stick out a bit, but that's okay since we're making it parallel to that line. And now we're going to be mirror imaging it, same thing here. Just a second. And that's it. Let me just zoom out a bit. That's it, guys. Your Galaxy Fighter is finished. If it doesn't fly, just try lifting, just pushing a bit like that. It will fly really well. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see some more of my paper plane videos, click right there to see the other planes that I did. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you are not already a subscriber, click right here. To see my latest video, click right here. And to see the psychotic cyclone, click right here. Thank you guys for watching.